Today, I'm checking out a 3-level on-slab build by the ATN Group here in Beechville. We're just outside Halifax in the Lovett Lake subdivision, one of the fastest growing subdivisions, super close to the city. It's priced just under $700,000, so if you want to see more, you're going to need to stick around. Hello and welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time tuning in, I'm John Murray, a realtor here in Halifax, Nova Scotia with Keller Williams Select Realty. Now, what I do on my channel is I visit all the new developments happening all around and outside the city of Halifax. I give a little information about each, and then I give full walkthroughs of new construction, just like the home I'm standing in today. Now, if this is something you're interested in, or you're thinking about moving, buying, or selling anywhere in the area, do me a huge favor, hit the subscribe button, the like button, and the notification button to make sure you stay up to date with everything that's happening in all these new communities, and reach out with any questions. Today I'm out in the master plan Lovett Lake subdivision in Beechville, just west of Halifax. Now, if you're not sure where this is, I'm going to put it up on the map. You can see we're about 20 minutes straight to downtown Halifax, but only 10 minutes into Quinpool Road. And because we're so close to the 102-103 highway split, you can also get to Dartmouth usually in 25 minutes and the airport in under 30. Now, in my opinion, sometimes Beechville can be overlooked by people coming from abroad, but it really shouldn't. It's technically the closest subdivision to the city core, and we're only 3 to 5 minutes from Bayers Lake, which is our largest commercial and retail area. If you haven't heard me talk about Bayers Lake before, it's got your Costco, it's got tons of shopping and tons of restaurants, movie theaters, lots to do, and it's right on your doorstep. Now, one of the coolest features about this area, while we are close to the city, we're also surrounded by nature. We're connected to the BLT trail system, we overlook Lovett Lake, and we're also just a hop away from the famous baptismal path. So lots of places for you to go out, get exercise, take your dog for a walk, or just enjoy time with your family. Now, you're probably thinking, John, what's the catch? It's affordable, it's very close to the city, it's close to shopping and amenities, and it's also close to nature. Well, the trade-off, as always, the closer you get to the city is going to be density. So the lot sizes here are about 1/10 of an acre or under, much like any subdivision close to the city. So if you're looking for something with a big acreage, you're gonna need to look further out. But if you really wanna live close to the city, this could be a great area for you. Now, finally, I'm gonna put the schools for the neighborhood up on the screen so you can do some research. If you do have any other questions, I don't wanna talk forever about the neighborhood, so if you have any other questions, my information will be on screen. Just reach out, and I'd love to talk to you about the right area for you and your family. Now, before we go inside to check out this model home by the ATN Group behind me, they are one of the primary builders here in the Lovett Lake subdivision, which is almost near completion. There's still about 21 homes available. Not all of them are up on the MLS currently, but they will be coming. They do have another floor plan that's 5 bedrooms I'm going to be viewing today as well, so look for it on my channel. I'll have the specs on the screen for you now. Along with this model, which is quite common, this is their model house. It's about 2 feet wider than some of the other variations they build, so keep that in mind, but I'm going to try and give you as much information as I can. If you do have any questions, please reach out. And just remember, I don't represent any of these builders on my channel. I have great relationships with them and their listing agents, which help provide me access to give you, the viewer, these wonderful tours. So with that being said, I hope you enjoy. All right, so we are checking out the model home version of this 2-story / 3-level home by the ATN Group here out in Beechville in the Lovett Lake subdivision. This is a 4-bed, 3.5 bath with a single car attached garage, as you can see. We are on municipal services here. It's 2,248 square feet, this version, which is about 2 feet wider than some of their other variations. But today we have the opportunity to view the model home. They do have some of this footprint available, so if you have any questions, just reach out to me. It is electric heating as well, as I'm going to talk about as we go in. You have a side entrance to your garage there, just out on the street. And yeah, that's it. We're going to go on in. So you've got a paved driveway, a little covered foyer here. Nice glass door with side lights on both sides. So this house is priced just under $690,000 as well. You would have seen that on screen, I'm sure. You're gonna walk into a tiled entry. So they've got a little station here with some coat racks and a bench for putting your shoes on and off. So when you come in, stairs are gonna go right up to your main level. But we're gonna start down here on the on-grade level. Again, we're on slab. You got a baseboard heater there. The first door is gonna be your garage. It's a bit cluttered right now. I'm gonna warn you before I open the door, but you'll get to have a good look at it anyway. Your panel's in behind the refrigerator there that's to be put in. And your garage door. So it's a single car garage. Down here, you have a great flex space, or rec room space. A lot of potential for a lot of different uses here. Again, we have to remember when I'm giving these tours, I'm looking at the house layout as well as the area. So if I do mention like a small home business function, I want you to remind you, you're gonna have to do more digging, or give me a call and I can do that for you. You always have to apply for proper permits and stuff. But here you can see they've plumbed in a wet bar, which is great because this could have the makings of a little in-law suite. You have a full bath as well, and you have a rough-in for laundry in here. So an in-law / guest suite is not to be confused with a legal secondary suite. Those are different. If you want more information on that, just give me a call. But you could easily have a family member staying down here with you, or guests if you move to the area and you have people visiting. But yeah, great setup. So here's your bedroom here. Closet. You got flush mount lighting. I'd have to check. It looks like it's LED. You've got a walkout here too to your back. Well, there's not much of a yard, as you know. The lot sizes here are typically a tenth or under a tenth of an acre. But the bright side is not a lot to look after maintenance-wise. Your full bath is here. A shower. No bathtub, but you've got a shower. And the baseboard heater in here. So before we go upstairs, if you are watching this video and it's your first time following along, I give home tours of all the new construction all around the city of Halifax. And if you're interested in checking out new construction, buyer representation is free here in Nova Scotia, and I'd love to help you out. So my information will be on screen, and if you already have a realtor, that's cool too. Make sure you give them a call and get them to help you. So your utility areas here is your hot water tank and your air exchanger. If you are going to use this for storage, just make sure you keep it nice and neat. This is laminate flooring as well. You're going to have laminate throughout the house, and there's some carpet going to the top level stairs that you'll see. So we're going to go right up to the main level. Opens up to a nice open concept. Just Okay, so right to the right is your powder room. Try and get out of the mirror. Obviously you have the same tile flooring you have downstairs. This is flowing throughout your dining room and kitchen area. This is a very big table too, just so you can get an idea of the size that is up here. It's very, very open. They have quartz countertops here. I always point out the obvious stuff, but your dishwasher would go here, your stove over there, and space for a big fridge there. They are soft close cabinets and drawers as well. So you've got a bit of a privacy wall on your deck. I'm gonna try and pop out there after. It's a big kitchen island. And a very large walk-in pantry here. There's actually shelves in behind the door too. Yeah, so if you're a family that likes to eat or stock up on food, they've got more than enough space here. They also have this extra covered space here to the right of where the fridge would be. It's great, it's a very practical kitchen. So you got slider doors out here to your deck, and for the first time since I have started my channel, I'm gonna be able to go out on the deck because we don't have mountains of snow, because we got a lot of rain recently. So you can see that's St. Margaret's Bay Road there. That's one of the entry points in. You get a nice privacy wall on your deck here. Yeah. My first deck of the spring 2026. Finally. The weather's warming up. I was out doing these videos and it was minus 18 last week. So again, we have laminate flooring, electric fireplace there, and a ductless heat pump. So again, ductless heat pumps, they cool your house in the winter, or in the summer, they keep it warm in the winter, and they are energy efficient, which means they cut down on your power bills and make them reasonable. See, they have pot lighting in here too, and lots of big windows, wrapped all around. Okay, let's go up. So as I mentioned, you do have carpet coming up to the final level of the home. So the layout here, when we turn the corner, in this closet here is where your laundry is going to be. You have your primary over to the left, a little linen closet right there with your main bath, and then over to the right are your 2 extra bedrooms. So we open up this closet where your laundry would be. It's nice and neat. You're not walking up and down stairs to do laundry. Linen closet. Your main bath. Again, if you have any questions, my information will be on screen. I'd love to have a conversation with you about whether you're very early in the process, you live here, you're looking to sell, you're looking to buy new construction or resale. I cover it all. I'm just doing these tours to hopefully provide some value to you, and I find when I'm always looking online and my clients ask me about new construction, a lot of the time the models aren't actually built, so they just have to look at photos or facsimiles or old 3D walkthroughs, so I'm hoping this will provide some good context as you shop. So then what I would call the 3rd bedroom. So that's the closet right in the doorway. It's a good sized closet. Your 2nd bedroom. These both point out toward the front of the house. good size. It's actually a really good size. It doesn't always pick it up on camera, like I mentioned before, when there's no furniture in some of these rooms. You'll have to take my word for it, it's a good size. If you do want the floor plans, I can shoot them over to you as well. Nice big closet for a secondary bedroom. And finally, we'll go out to the primary. So they have a double bed in here, I believe. That might be a queen, actually. Just want to give you an idea of all the space around it. No, that's a... I always get confused sometimes with the doubles and the queens because I lived over in Korea for 13 years, and I swear the queen size beds are bigger over there than they are here. But I'm telling you, there's so much space here. You could easily have a king size bed. A white flush mount light up there. Your ensuite's going to be in the corner, and your walk-in closet is here. Take in the walk-in closet. Your attic access is in here as well. There. And finally, we will wrap up in the ensuite. Beautiful day it is today. So again, I think you have quartz on your countertop here. You have a baseboard heater, tile on the ground for flooring. You have a tiled shower all the way up through. And lots of shelves, linen shelves. Yeah. So that is the 2-story / what I call 3-level on-grade build by ATN out here in Beechville. If you have any questions, please let me know and leave some comments what you think. And I will see you on the next tour. Thank you so much for watching.